Hello everyone and welcome to a new video. Today we'll cover how to add live wallpapers to your Windows desktop. If you are looking for a free software to add animated or live wallpapers to your desktop, then you can use Lively Wallpaper, a free software to add animated desktop wallpapers. This is a great software that is completely free to install and use on your Windows operating system. You can download it directly from the official website, or you can get the Microsoft Store version, and I recommend the Microsoft Store version so the software will be updated automatically. And here you will find some system requirements to run this software without any problems, and if you face any performance problems you can disable this software. When you first open Lively Wallpaper, you will have some default live wallpapers or animations. You can double click and select any one of these wallpapers, and of course you can download and use your own. For example, I will download a video from Pixels. Now to add any video or animated wallpaper to this software, you can simply click on add wallpaper. You can drag and drop it directly to this software. You can paste the URL or you can choose it from your computer. You can change the title, description, author and website of the wallpaper, and then you can click on OK. And as you can see, I'm using the video from Pixels as a wallpaper in Windows. You can also click on active wallpapers. If you have multiple monitors, you can customize and select one of the wallpapers for any one of your monitors, or you can use the same one. Personally, I only have one monitor, so I will leave it at default and click on OK. Now if you right click on any of your wallpapers, you can set as default, preview the wallpaper. You can customize it and change the saturation, hue, brightness, contrast, gamma and speed, and of course the customization options will change based on the wallpaper. For this one, for example, I can change the background, the font, add time and date as well. You can also open the file location, export the wallpaper as a zip file and delete it from this software. For more customization, you can click on settings. From general, you can start this software with Windows, enable it to show up on system tray icons. You can enable fast startup if you want, and you can change the theme of this software to the light theme if you prefer. You can also increase or decrease the volume and change the wallpaper directory. From performance, you can pause this app on full screen mode. If you use any application in full screen, this software will automatically pause from using system resources, and you can disable this app in battery power. When you enable battery power or battery saver for laptops, and from wallpaper, you can change the scale mode of the wallpaper. You can change the video player. You have WMF. The default one is MPV, but you can change it if you want. You can also change the stream or the video quality, and from system you can change the taskbar theme. You have clear, blur, fluent wallpaper or wallpaper fluent. For example, I will select wallpaper, and if you click on about, you will find more information about the creator of this software. This is a simple and straightforward software to add live wallpapers to your computer. If you're interested on trying this software, I will leave the download link in the description so you can try it if you want. And if this video was useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful software. Until next time, bye.